Namaste, Prakash here. If you really take our life from the time we are born till we depart, in fact, as I view it based on my own personal experience, every day actually in our life is a miracle. Every day when we get up, every day that we breathe and that we are alive, while rest of the population in the world somewhere doesn't wake up on that day, to get a full square meal on that day, to have a happy relationship, to have everything that we are bestowed with. On a scale of comparison, it may not be exactly the best that one would want to have, but we all have much more than what we need. Do we really understand that all these does not happen on its own? There is a much bigger hand. You want to call it God, you want to call it nature, you want to call it master. There is someone who is ensuring that you wake up on that day, you are alive, you are kicking, your material life is taken care in some way or another. And while you are in this body, you also have a goal that you are able to reach, material, spiritual, and all that. Do we really realize that there are forces which are united and which are working in our favor to give many of the things that we don't even deserve? How do we repay? Do we have a sense of gratitude? Do we really understand that every moment that we go through is a crossroad in our life, and that once you cross that crossroad, there is something bigger waiting for you, again another crossroad, and everywhere there is this helping hand which guides you through? Do we really understand that there is a helping hand at every moment? Do you even cherish that there is someone who is looking after you all the time, protecting you, nourishing you, taking care of you in whatever possible way? What is it we can really do? I call it as a gratitude time. Every day in the morning and once in the evening, heartfully connect to whatever source that you believe is making you live, making you go through your destiny in a proper way, in a way which is far better than what we are capable on our own. And just see what is that you can really offer back. What is it we can really offer back to them? But a very sincere, heartfelt note of thank you, Master. Thank you, my God. Thank you, whatever. If it is possible, if you are a practitioner of any spiritual system, when you get up in the morning, you may have a prayer of your own, whether it's a prayer of heartfulness, meditation, or any other prayer. Just connect yourself to the God Almighty, to the Guru, to the Master. While you wake up, if you are part of heartfulness system, you may be doing the point B cleaning followed by the morning prayer. Before you move into meditation, just connect for a second to the Guru inside, to the Master inside you, and just say thank you. Once Daji beautifully mentioned, for thousands and thousands of things that happen every day to us, we can't actually, ideally, we should be stopping and saying thank you, Master, every moment. But it is not possible. You can't be saying thank you for the food, thank you for the dress, thank you for the car, thank you for the job, thank you for the money. It is sufficient that you connect and just tell the Master inside, thank you, Master. And that is something that they would easily understand. And it is one way of showing a gratitude. I don't think they really seriously expect anything in return. The same way at the end of the night, when you finish your 10th maxim and when you finish your prayer, just before you hit the bed, just close your eyes, connect through your heart, heartfully, just say thank you, Master. These are two words, would hardly take about 5 seconds per repetition, once in the morning, once in the evening, totally an investment of 10 seconds just to share a sense of gratitude to the person who is taking care of you, without even thinking of their own interest, without even thinking for 1 second what is that they're going to get out of you. What is the best that we can do other than offering our tiny heart of gratitude, filled with gratitude to them, just saying, thank you so much, Master, twice a day. Can we make it a habit starting from today so that in some way we connect, irrespective of the system that you practice? Connect to your Guru, connect to your Master, connect to your God. Just thank them once in the morning, thank them once in the evening. If you get up the next day morning, obviously you must thank. And the way if you're able to go to bed peacefully in the night, you must thank. Just a very simple thank you note from the heart of you, the disciple, to your God, to your Guru, to your Master, would do wonders in building a sense of gratitude. Something worth thinking about, right? Thank you.